Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is June the 9th, and guess where we are? We're in Alabama. Yep, a little bit outside of Montgomery. This is a client named Dusty. He found me on YouTube, like a lot of, all of my out-of-state jobs. It was about a 3-hour drive. Getting through the Atlanta traffic was about an hour by itself. So anyway, we're going to be doing a screening recoat with color correction. Also, his Granite Countertops. He's putting the house up on the market, engineered floors. One of those situations where most local companies will come in and say, oh, you got to replace the floor, you got to sand the floor. And as you guys see from my videos, I actually just had a lady say she just called me from Kennesaw, Georgia. Said she saw me on Instagram and she has the same issue. So it is a beautiful, man, it's one of those days I want to just keep driving to Panama City Beach. That's my favorite beach to go to, Destin area. It is beautiful out here. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we are out here in, I forgot the little town, but it's a little bitty town right outside of Montgomery, Alabama. And I'll show you what we got going. So this is a small job, guys, but when I do come out, I do charge a travel fee. And let me show you what we got going. So we got coming in here, got a little strip right there missing some color. The worst area is right here. See right there, here. I could tell someone already tried to add some color back to it. And guys, you have to remember, if you do not abrade that floor properly, anything that you put on that floor is not going to stick, and that's including stain. Now guys, let me zoom in, let me show you this. Now if you're selling this house and you walked in and you saw this, look at all this. That's just wear. There's just a lot of wear, you know, and that's normal. You know, people have to understand everything wears, you know, your walls, your floor. Of course, your floors, because you were walking on the floors, you got kids, dogs. So that's a lot of wear up in the area right here, all through here. So we're going to screen this down. Also, he said, Courtney, while you're here, go ahead and do the granite countertops, which we're going to do as well. Here. And that's it. So like I said, it's not a big job. This is probably one of the smallest jobs I've come out of town to do. But our clients do understand. We do have our regular price plus our travel fee. All right, guys, we want to get started. Stay
Truman, where we at?
Alabama,
Where we from? Georgia, what we do?
make 'em shine.
Truman in Alabama,
Hey,
yeah, we on the road. Came from Georgia, brought that Truman glow. Engineer floors looking brand new again. UV cure, let the sun shine in. Truman in Alabama,
yeah, we in the zone. Granite countertops got a whole new tone.
homegrown on the market, gotta make it stand tall.
When they call Truman,
We do it all. Rode in from Atlanta down the interstate.
in the state,
Another happy homeowner couldn't wait.
couldn't
Said,
wait.
man, I searched everywhere around town.
Round
Couldn't
time,
find nobody putting work down. Engineer flow looking tired and worn. Color correction got a fresher reborn. One day recoat, now they glowing bright. UV cure got them ready tonight.
ready tonight,
Ready tonight.
ready tonight.
Shine so bright.
Shine so bright.
Truman in Alabama.
Yeah, we on the road.
Came from Georgia.
Brought that Truman glow.
Engineer floors looking brand new again. UV cure, let the sun shine in. Truman in Alabama.
Yeah, we in the zone. Granite countertops got a whole new tone.
Home going on the market, gotta make it stand tall.
When they call Truman,
We do it all. Countertop polish, reflection so clean. Got the whole kitchen looking magazine. Riddle walk in, say whoa, hold up. Now the value went up when Truman showed up from the beach state all the way westbound. Leaving happy customers in every town. One day system, that's the Truman way. Get it done right, then we on our way. Hey! Georgia to Alabama, one truck.
one team, one dream, one dream.
Truman.
Truman, Truman,
There you go, there you go, there you go.
making old flows.
Look brand new.
Truman,
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Alabama love what Truman do.
Truman in Alabama. Truman in Alabama.
Truman
Truman in Alabama.
from Georgia.
Truman in Alabama.
Yeah.
We making it shine. Alabama. Alabama.
That's gonna do it. We are done. First, look at those countertops. They did not look nowhere like this before we started. They was dulled out. Probably never been done before. Here, you can't really see because of the no reflection. There, oh man, look at that, guys. And the floors came out amazing. Remember when I zoomed in, the floors are just dull, worn. Again, guys, that's typical. And then the color correction. So we're done. I'm gonna head back, grab some lunch before we hit the highway. Color correction came out great. I'm gonna let T drive back. I drove here. So anytime we go do out of state jobs, sometimes well, it depends. The farthest we drove was about 3 or 4 months ago when we went to Tampa. But the floors came out, this came out great. Dusty, what you think, man? Looks good? Only thing I did point out, I had a client try to blame me for it. So I told that he's of course I know. See those little gaps in the boards right there? Right here, they can be fixed. I just don't know how to fix them. Right here, I think those are only 2. So those were there before we started. He said, I just want, oh, there was one right here. One time I had a client say I did that. I said, there's no way I did that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. You come on in, Dusty, look at it. Hey, fine, yeah. Nice and smooth. I can tell when you do your feet like that, how smooth it feels, yep. Look at them countertops. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, guys, tomorrow we have 2 projects. We have one in the morning in Atlanta. It's a small screen and recoat with color correction. I think she's moving in and moving out. And then we have another move out in Cummings. And we're also going to be doing the same thing to his floors. Screen recoat. We're not UVing, just screen and recoating. And then also his countertops as well. Thursday, I think we got one Thursday, repeat client, screen and recoat UV. Friday we have 2, and I'm taking off this weekend, and we're already booked out next week. All right, guys, see you in the next one.